In the near lane, David Kintner in a 69 Roadrunner Street HEMI 4-speed. In the far lane, Jeff Humble in a 70 Cyclone 429 Cobra Jet 4-speed. Kintner red lights and then misses second gear. The Cyclone storms to a 1445 100.67 to a 1538 85.87. In the near lane, Pat Krieger in a 70 Cyclone Spoiler 429 automatic. In the far lane, Lawrence Conley 70 GSX Stage 1 455 automatic. Conley gets there first, 1402 90.54 to 1447 95.74. Pat Krieger's beautiful 70 Cyclone Spoiler gets the solo by run. This 429 beauty with its sculpted fenders, recessed hood scoop, and deck-lid spoiler was to many Ford fans the finest Cyclone styling ever turned out by the Mercury division. Krieger goes through at 1473 91.46. In the near lane, Pat Krieger's 70 Cyclone Spoiler 429 automatic. In the far lane, James Oakley in a 70 GTO Judge Ram Air 3 400 automatic. The Judge and the Cyclone are both limited production cars, typical of an era when Detroit emblazoned their cars with wild graphics to match their wild performance. The Cyclone romps to a 1470 93.75 win over the Judge at 17.43 80.21 miles per hour. In the near lane, Jeff Humble, 70 Cyclone 429 CJ 4-speed. In the far lane, Kevin Burchell, 67 Camaro 396 automatic. And Humble apparently misses second gear. Burchell takes the win, 1493 63.55 to 1618 87.54.